Can a person who is born blind paint? Without direct visual input, they must rely on structural and conceptual frameworks derived from non-visual modalities to understand space and geometry. Large language models operate in a similar state of sensory deprivation. Trained strictly on one-dimensional token streams, they fundamentally lack spatial reasoning and two-dimensional grounding. Autoregressive Mosaics explores this phenomenon. It is an attempt to force a text-only language model to paint sequentially, deducing the exact structural and chromatic value of discrete cells on an m by n grid, using only its linguistic pre-training. To analyze this phenomenon, the installation employs two distinct generation methodologies. The first approach, the ASCII canvas, forces the model to act as a discrete renderer. In a single forward pass, it generates a text grid alongside a matching color matrix, calculating a deliberate decision for every individual cell. Because autoregressive transformers process information in a strict, one-dimensional causal sequence, they quickly lose track of two-dimensional coordinate space. Their attention mechanisms fail to maintain stable geometry over extended context windows, causing shapes to drift, tear, and collapse into fascinating fragmented abstractions. The second approach, the code canvas, introduces a neurosymbolic framework. Instead of directly outputting raw pixel matrices, the model synthesizes a program containing precise geometric instructions, defining Euclidean boundaries for lines, rectangles, and circles. A restricted, deterministic rendering engine subsequently executes this script to compile the final image. This method vastly outperforms the ASCII approach because it aligns with the underlying architectural strengths of the transformer. Language models are highly fluent in the formal, abstract logic of code. By delegating the rigid mathematics of coordinate space to a deterministic engine, the network's latent conceptual understanding of an object emerges with sudden, striking coherence.